Editing GetResponse settings can seem complicated at first, but once you understand the key steps, it's easy to get it just right for your needs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit GetResponse settings easily so that you can maximize its features without wasting any time. Stick around until the end because I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial for GetResponse and some alternatives that could better fit your goals. First up, let's talk about accessing your settings. To edit GetResponse settings, you'll need to log into your account and navigate to the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on it will drop down a menu where you'll select Account Settings. This is where most of your essential preferences and integrations are controlled. Next, let's tackle the general settings. These include your account's company name, address, time zone, and the default language. It's crucial to set these properly because they will reflect on your emails, notifications, and integrations. Keep in mind that incorrect details here might cause delivery issues or even mark your emails as spam, which you definitely want to avoid. The third thing to know is your email preferences. Under the Settings menu, you can fine-tune how GetResponse interacts with you. This includes controlling notifications, setting up auto-responses, and deciding what types of communication you'll receive from GetResponse. One of the most important settings here is your email signature. You can edit this so that it's automatically added to the bottom of every email you send, saving you time. Now, let's move to the integrations. If you're using other tools like Zapier or want to sync with your CRM, go to Integrations and API under the Settings menu. There, you can connect GetResponse to platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and social media accounts. However, it's important to note that while GetResponse supports many integrations, some may require a higher tier plan, which could become costly for users on the lower plans. The next thing is the security settings, especially if you're managing sensitive customer information. GetResponse offers two-factor authentication, and I highly recommend enabling it. This ensures that your account stays secure, even if your login details are compromised. One feature GetResponse doesn't make immediately obvious is its automation settings. In this section, you can control how triggers work, what happens when someone subscribes to your list, and when emails should be sent based on user activity. While the automation features are powerful, they can be overwhelming for beginners. So, take time to experiment and test your automations before relying on them for critical workflows. Next up, let's talk about your billing and subscription settings. If you want to upgrade or downgrade your plan, or if you need to update your payment methods, all of that is managed under the Billing section of your settings. Be sure to check out what your current plan includes and whether it's meeting your needs. Sometimes, it's tempting to stick with a basic plan when more advanced features could really benefit your business. Finally, after going through all these steps, you might want to think about whether GetResponse is the best fit for your goals. While GetResponse has solid features, its interface can feel a bit clunky at times, especially when compared to some competitors in the market. It's a great tool, but depending on what you're looking for, there might be more streamlined options available that provide better value and features tailored to your needs. And that's where the exclusive offer comes in. If GetResponse isn't quite right for you, I've got some great alternatives that are better suited for specific goals like simplicity or higher level automation. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can explore them risk-free and see which one fits your needs better. So, don't wait. Check out the link and grab your exclusive offer today. Happy editing, and I hope this guide helps you make the most